Mason, if you look
right over there.
Mason, when you look out, you see that wall?
That's the
wall
crater.
over here. When you look in,
Are you gonna walk down the center with them?
No.
Are you gonna walk
Then I
around?
have to walk back up.
Are you gonna walk around the rim with them?